San Juan del Sur is a surfer's paradise. Surfers, even those from as far away as Hawaii with its world-class breaks, flock to Nicaragua at certain points during the year because of this unmatched trio. Warm water year-round. It has 300 plus days of offshore winds, and it has uncrowded waves. Number one, consistent offshore winds. We have the trade winds in the Caribbean, which come across Nicaragua. They're already strong, but when they pass over Lake Nicaragua, which is a huge body of water, they pick up speed. When they hit the Pacific coast, they come across the top of the water, and when the waves are coming in, it holds up the waves longer, so that this part, the surfable part of the wave, stays clean and organized for much longer. In many surf destinations, the only time of the day that is great for surfing is in the early morning, but often in Nicaragua, the surf conditions last all day long, and sometimes, depending on the tides, there are two prime times. Warm water year-round. Nicaragua has warm water temperatures throughout the year. Most surfers only wear board shorts or their swimsuit. It's very rare that you see someone out there with a wetsuit on. There is also a variety of breaks. The southwest coast, where I'm located, there are beach breaks for beginners, there are reef breaks for more experienced surfers, and there's point breaks for longer rides. Waves can range from gentle rollers to powerful barrels. A surfer can often find suitable conditions within a short drive. It is less crowded than many other surf destinations compared to places like Hawaii or Costa Rica, Bali, parts of California. Nicaragua's lineup on the waves is often much less crowded. Many surfers are willing to travel to further distances if it means having fewer people in the lineup. For North Americans, Nicaragua can be relatively inexpensive. There you can often find affordable accommodations, low-cost local transportation, inexpensive meals. There's surf camps that are dedicated to beginners or intermediate surfers. This makes it great for extended stays. There is a very long surf season here. The primary surf season runs roughly from May through November, when the southern hemisphere has many storms, which create swells that arrive on the shores here. During these periods, surfers can often find rideable waves nearly every day, but I live here year-round and I have a lot of surfer friends. I actually own a couple of boards as well. I can't really call myself a surfer, but people surf all year round here. Some parts of the year are less desirable than others. The natural beauty. Every surf break that I can think of that I visited is not surrounded by high rises and big hotels. There are businesses that surround them, but they are small, family-owned businesses. Visitors often enjoy that feeling that they are discovering a place for the first time. Some of the well-known surf beaches in the area that I live is Playa Remanso, which is good for beginners, Playa Maderas for the more advanced. In Popoyo area, we have Playa Colorado, and here in the southern part of the coastal highway, we also have Playa Yankee, which has very big waves. So that's why. Nicaragua is a surfer's paradise, and people come here year after year just to have several days of surfing in a row. They get their fix and they go back home.